Fish on. We got something. Good fish. It's a great snakehead. We're gonna go catch some fish down in Fort Lauderdale. We're gonna catch some snakehead in the canals and all that, the invasive species, which are fun to catch, which are an excellent fight. And yeah, it's overcast, rainy day, and it's pouring rain, and it's gonna lighten up here. It's gonna be perfect. The best time to go fishing for these snakehead is after a good rain like this, and then yeah, cast along the bank, cast across the bank, and let's see if we can get some. NDS, stay tuned, stay posted. Got held up by a train here, guys. Gotta get some gas. Oh, tripped on the old post there. Got me right here. Still early. Still waking up here. Well, guys, we're at our first snakehead spot for the day. We are gonna see what we can get. It's been pouring rain yesterday, and today had a hard pour this morning. And how did that just happen? I just flung my frog out there. That was incredible. Okay. That was a crazy backlash right there that I've never seen before. That's a great way to start the day. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Just flung my frog out. There you go, guys. Okay. Well, that is not the start we're looking. Well, I managed to get my frog on this tree here. I'm wondering if I throw my pole over there, that I can get it off from that side. Never do what I do, but I'm gonna try it. See if I can get this frog off. I don't feel like going to get my scissors in the car. Oh yeah, we got her. Talk about a struggle right there. Let's fix this frog. Holy smokes, that was a quest. Don't recommend throwing your rod across the bridge there, across the water here, to get your frog back, but hey, we got it. We're in business. But guys, I found a tennis ball. I'm gonna bring it back. Bring him back to my dog, Kuyu. We are at the second spot for the day. Don't want to get up on the bank and spook them. Looking for them bullseye snakeheads. You also got to be very quiet sneaking up on these fish. They can see and hear everything when you're on the bank. Oh, there's a nice painted turtle right there, just dove in. This looks like a snakehead area. There's one right there swimming. Yeah, he was sitting right there and he took off. One just smoked that. Oh, missed him. Missed him. Dang. Spit the hook. Alright guys, we're on our fourth spot of the day here. Here we go, fish on. Largemouth. First fish of the day, finally. Finally got a fish. Nice little largemouth for this canal here. South Florida. Them beautiful gills right there, bright red. That is a healthy fish right there. Alright, awesome. Nailed this largemouth right off the bank in this canal down in South Florida. Right off the swim bait. We're going to go ahead and let him go. See a little bass right here, see if you can get him to react. Nah, he didn't want it. There's something biting it. Fish on. We got something. We got fish on. Good fish. Snakehead. It's a great snakehead. That's what I've been after today. Been waiting all day for this. That is a great bullseye snakehead. And that is what I'm talking about. Oh, here. That is a nice fish. That is a great bullseye snakehead right there. Awesome fish. I mean, this is what I drove down here 40 minutes for. It's been a heck of a day. I've been trying to go for it for a while here now. I've been at it for a while now. And we just hooked one up. Great invasive fish. I'd say that's about a 3-4 pounder right there. First bullseye snakehead of the day. Been battling all day. Started at 8 o'clock this morning. It's at 1 o'clock almost. And I finally hooked one up. Drove an hour to get out here. We're out here in South Florida. We're catching. Finally got one. Great snakehead. Great fish. Just landed this beautiful bullseye snakehead. And we're going to go ahead and let them go. They're invasive, but you can let them go in the water where you found them. You can't transport them. But here we go. Going to go ahead and let this bullseye snakehead go. Northern Driven Sportsman. It's about a 4-pound snakehead. Go ahead and let him go. See if we can catch another snakehead here. Let's go ahead and move down a little bit. Got the parents on FaceTime. Sweetie Fam Outdoors on FaceTime right now. Watching from Michigan. We're down in South Florida. Another one right here. Holy, that is a giant one. That was a huge one. That's a holy moly. There's another huge one right here. Holy moly, that was an even bigger one. You just bit it. I think you just bit it. That thing was a giant. I just saw a huge one. I just saw a huge freaking giant. There he is. I got him on. 2 in a row? No way.
Two in a row. Two in a row. Oh, he broke off. He broke off. That dude was a 10-pounder. He broke off. Unreal. Unreal. Just, that was a 10-pound snakehead right there, guys. We're gonna have to tie the hook again. We gotta get back out there. Holy mackerel, that was a 10-pound snakehead right there. We have to get back out there. Holy smoke. See that bass right here, but it just doesn't want it. When you're fishing for these snakehead, you want to cast along the bank or across the way. You want to cast on the bank and let it bounce into the water. You don't want to spook them. Cast it right in the water, it's going to spook them. They don't like that big splash. Let's move down a little bit. Just had my second snakehead of the day. Just popped me off. I mean, that was a massive snakehead. That thing ripped my line. 50-pound braid broke that right like it was nothing. It was a huge snakehead. That was the biggest one I've ever had on in my life. Oh, fish on. We got a, oh, it was a bass. A little largemouth bass just broke off. Dang. That's the second fish that's popped off in the last 10 minutes here. There we go. Oh, it popped off. Popped off. That is the third one I've lost. Oh, man. Come on, guys. I hate when that happens. See if I can get him again. They're a great fight, great action. They got some big teeth on them, but they are fun. River monsters, and yes.